na business implementation. Okay. So, ganito naman yan. Kapag sa business implementation naman, ang project-based learning na tinatawag is, you should come up with business plan. Okay? So, kaya, itong business plan, it will serve as a guide, parang blueprint siya. Blueprint in coming up in, kumbaga, sa totoong business talaga. So, yun, business. So, meron kang dapat business plan to have business implementation. So, yun yung application ng project-based learning sa business, sa startup business naman. Okay. Ano pa? Sa feasibility study, pwede rin i-apply yung project-based learning. Kunwari, you want to study if a certain product or a business is feasible in certain area. Yan. So, you conduct a feasibility study. So, paano nyo ngayon mai-apply yung project-based learning sa feasibility study? Ito yung nagma-market research kayo, di ba? Gumagawa kayo ng market research. Diba? Nung sa feasibility study nyo, nagkanda kayo ng market research. So, dito sa market research, tignan nyo ngayon dito yung demand and supply of your product. So, makikita ninyo doon yung demand and supply gap. So, kung meron malaki ang gap, it means kapag pagdating na sa real business scenario is malaki ang makukuha yung market share. Yun ang application ng project-based learning kung ang basehan natin is yung sa paggawa naman ng feasibility study. Kung sa 3 I's na subject ninyo, wherein inquiries, investigation, and immersion. So, yung 3 I's na talaga na yan ay student-centered talaga siya. Kasi nga, mag-start kayo sa inquiries and then followed by your investigations. Doon na pumapasok yung market research ninyo. Yung lumalabas kayo na nagso-survey, di ba? And then, the last one is the immersion. So, pasok na pasok yung subject niyo na yan sa project-based learning.
And
so,
the best thing about inquiry-based, ma'am, is, I believe, this is the preparation for college. Kasi di ba sa college naman, I'm not saying na hindi nagdi-discuss ang mga professor, pero gina-guide. Kaya nga sila instructor, professor, because they are giving instructions na, unlike sa DepEd na teaching, di ba? Pag teaching, teacher, di ba? Pag instructor, giving instruction.